Geometry product video training installation. Now, installation with the GP series Glycol feeder really is pretty simple. Make sure that you have a dedicated circuit for your 115 volt power cord, 8-foot power cord that goes supplied. You should have 15 amps, no less. It'll draw that much starting up against load. Here we're not going to have any load, so we won't have any problems with it. Make sure that you are mounted with the 3/8 holes in the pads below. Make sure that you follow local building codes for size and length and depth. And that this is your discharge. This is your only point of connection. This should be within 20-25 feet of the system and less than 3 or 4 elbows. You don't want to overwork the pump just to get the glycol into there. So you don't want to go in 25, 30, 40, 50 feet and then reduce it down and all those things. Make sure it's still ½ inch at connection. Make sure there is no check valves in between here and the system. You want to get a true read on pressure. We have a check valve at the bottom here, and we have pressure relief. And then at the bottom on our pump, we do have a drain valve, and that needs to be plumbed to a safe area. You can't send glycol down the drain. This pressure relief valve, the only other thing on system startup is that you do have this set, the pressure relief set above your system pressure relief. You don't want the system to be returning into here. That overpressurization, this is really only to pressure relief when somebody isolates it and it's still running. You know, that it doesn't blow anything up, it doesn't wreck the pump itself. Okay?